One of the things I'm certainly most proud of is the way that we're all working together to deliver this essential programme across the UK.
This has been a huge national endeavour, and one that I certainly haven't seen of this scale before. We've seen all of those parts of the sector come together against and rallying against a common cause, and it's been absolutely heartening to see.
Well, having lived in the war, it's very much like that, you know, when everybody had the same idea. And I think this has rather sort of inspired that, hasn't it?
If I could bottle this community spirit and use it not just for the vaccination programme, but for other things, I think the job would be done.
Wouldn't it be nice? Well, once you've had the vaccine, you have a feeling of, you know, you're protected, which is, I think, very important. And as far as I can make out, it was quite harmless. And it was very quick. And I've had lots of letters from people who've been very surprised by how easy it was to get the vaccine. And the jab was it didn't hurt at all.
We hope everyone who is offered the vaccine will take it up because it is all of our best chances to protect both the people who take up the vaccine, their families and their communities.
I think the other thing is that it is obviously difficult for people to, if they've never had a vaccine, because they ought to think about other people rather than themselves.
We've vaccinated all 483 care homes in Northern Ireland, and in fact, the vast majority of them, in fact, almost all of them, will have received their second doses by the end of this week. So we are particularly proud of that. We know that this is probably the largest and most disruptive pandemic that we've faced both globally and within the UK for over 100 years.
It's a bit like a plague, isn't it? Because it's not only here that we've got the virus, but it's everywhere. So it's a strange battle that everybody's actually fighting.
Greetings from Wales. I'm glad to say that we've also had fantastic help. So we have dentists, we have pharmacists, and we have the military. The personal testimonies have been very heartwarming. Leading naval nurse, Kira Jones, who's a mental health nurse normally, says, "I've never been so proud to say I'm a nurse in the Royal Navy. Words cannot describe the overwhelming feeling, tears at times I have, when a patient touches my hand and thanks me for the vaccine. I am proud to be a nurse."
It is remarkable how quickly the whole thing has been done. And so many people have had the vaccine already. So you will have to keep up the good work. I'm very glad indeed to have had a chance to hear it all.